You can begin.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Edgar, I am from Isancla, Veracruz. Today I would like to talk about the typical food of Isancla. One of the richest aspects of Isancla culture is undoubtedly the gastronomy. The great diversity of dishes prepared in the region has to do with the basic products of the traditional Mexican diet: corn, beans, and chili, complemented with rice, pipián, avocado, and other seeds, legumes, and other species. Let me start with what is the typical food. Traditional food refers to food and dishes that are passed through the regeneration and also refer to foods consumed over the duration of the civilization that have been passed down through generations. Traditional food and dishes are traditional in nature and may have historically present in a national dish, regional cuisine, or local cuisine. Now that I have covered in definition traditional food, let me move to explain what are the typical dishes of Isancla. Empapatadas. It is a typical dish of the region Isanteca that is made of enchiladas with chili green egg or enfrijoladas. The stuff is wrapped in papata leaf that is very similar to banana leaf, but softer with its special flavor and aroma. On the other hand, other typical dish of Isancla is the consumption of chicken and rabbits in chiltepín, accompanied by rice, fried beans, and tortilla made by hand. Likewise, tamales are traditional, especially in family parties and gathering, which in their bread vary in quite unique flavor by the type of leaf used in the elaboration. In the leaf is of papata. And what to say of the mole? Elaboration for mixture of different chilies, spices, cinnamon, sesame, chocolate, peanut, banana, and other species, and accompanied with a piece of chicken, pork, and turkey. Whereas a seed that has a lot used in the kitchen Isanteca is the pipián, which is the complement the mole, the chicken prepared in green or red, depending on the chili that is used in the elaboration. And the celebration of the Todos Santos, they are prepared bags of pipián, chili of gold, and the delicious sweet of pipián in the said sugar skull, ham, and other figures. Another Isanteco menu is the seafood, such as fish, crab, and shrimp. Stand different styles, for example, shrimp with mayo grilled, fried fish, and cocktails. In addition, the water that is consumed in the meals is usually prepared with seasonal fruits. Thus, it is easy to find water of orange, lemon, Jamaica, capulin, melon, and pino apples. Other flavors we find in the horchata prepared with rice, cinnamon, and vanilla. Although some people change ingredients and add coconut and some milk. As for the atole of masa, pineapples, orange, capulin, or prepared in the time of Todos Santos, the famous champurrado or the sobacol. Further, our concept Isancla has a great tradition in the elaboration of chicha, fermented drink in the raw at salsopera, accompanied by ginger and anise. In addition, as good kind, in prepared in craft by great diversity of wine, and prepared with short bear the most common of the capulin, nightshade, guanabana, orange, and hobo. Finally, I would like to discuss the dessert. We can say that is region of the Mediterranean: tintines, cachichines, peanuts with chili, corn, esquites, cocadas, bread of egg, bread of granillo, and the delicious snack made of fruit of sesame. In conclusion, a typical dish is one that prepared in a specific region or place in which means that this dish was born and consumed therein. What, for example, the tamales, which misancla include unique flavors by the type of the leaf used in the elaboration of leaf of papata. Nevertheless, in Misancla, the tacos in the antojitos have become an important part of the gastronomy Misateca. Although they are called fast food type, but today they are the ones that have more demand in the consumption. The tacos are based on the corn tortilla with meat, coriander, and onion, consumed by a bit of lemon and chiltepin sauce. The antojitos, which are kind of enchiladas, empanadas, toas, garnachas, etc. That. Thank you for your attention. Do you have questions?
No. I am now hungry. Anyone else have questions? No. Anybody else hungry?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you.